Son, you will marry the girl that I choose. No, Dad, you have bad taste in women. Look at Mom. But what if it's Donald Trump's daughter? Oh, yeah, I can do that. Hey, Mr. Trump, let my son marry your daughter.
No, I'll never allow that.
But my son is the CEO of the World Bank.
Oh, then we can make it work.
Hello, I demand you to make my son the CEO of the World Bank. No, why would we do that? But my son is Donald Trump's son in law. Oh, okay. When can you start? This is how to get rich quick.
I'll do whatever for you, mommy. You don't get a play.
Mine got 10K for your body. You know I don't play. I be watching face on your IG.